Hi, hello. This is Charlie. This is Charlie Money PH, and I'm gonna give you a quick update on my stock portfolio right now. And based on my computation, my equity is 975. Okay, and here's my portfolio right now. I added Santander in the mix. And I still have Sibanye Stillwater, the Silver ETF, SanDisk Corp, Seagate, and Western Digital. Okay. So lately, there's some profit taking on the tech side, SNDK, STX, and WDC. This is expected because they had a rally a couple of days ago. And now the reverse is the stocks, financial stocks are going up, like banks like Santander, Banco Santander, or SAN, and then also the gold and silver and precious metals are also going up because a couple of days ago they were like not so good, not going up, but not going down too much either. But today they're having a good rally. Okay, so computation. My total capital was 756 dollars. Total equity is 975. My profit right now is $218. The growth for the last 14 trading days is 28.94. Okay. However, my equity also went up around 980 sometime in the intraday. So that's great news. It means there's a possibility that my equity will reach that. It's actually around less than $6 away, or less than $5 away, or just $5 away to achieve what, $980 of equity. Okay, so right now my equity is jumping from plus $1 to minus $1. But let's see what happens during after hours and extended trading or overtime trading later. Okay, so for now, my stock is up 28.94% for the last 14 days, and my profit is $218.85. So thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.